Hello everybody, welcome to Pumperz Garage. Pumperz Garage is a channel that's going to be dedicated to doing things to earn money to build a garage. We're going to build that garage to fit Pumperz, and you don't know who Pumperz is yet, and I'm just not ready to show you who she is yet. Pumperz is a big old girl though, and she will not fit in my current garage that is standing right behind you. So we're going to build a big enough garage over here for Pumperz. However, we need to make that money first. We got to bring in some income. We got to do some stuff with the channel to try to work up to it. It's a goal, it's a challenge, and I am ready to face my fears. So, Pumperz is sitting over there, and I can't show you. She's got some things she needs to have done to her, and I plan on taking the money that it would take to do that in a shop and apply it myself to my own account that would help put a garage over Pumperz. Now, that would also get me a lift in the garage, hopefully, where I can help people in the community and local people and maybe other content creators as well, have a place to go to and have some tools to work on things and do some crazy channel stuff. I think that would be super amazing to have a big group of people come over and just use the garage that Pumperz helped build. What do you think about that? Drop that in the comments down below. I really think that is a smooth idea, and I sure hope it's going to work.